Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is boisterous. It's pronounced boisterous, and it's spelt B-O-I-S-T-E-R-O-U-S. Think boy with an I, then stir, S-T-E-R, and then O-U-S. Boisterous means loud, noisy, and lacking in restraint or discipline. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about someone or something that is loud and energetic, often in a wild or uncontrolled way. For example, you could say the children were boisterous and hard to control at the party. Or the crowd at the football game was boisterous and rowdy. The word boisterous comes from the old French word boisterous, which means loud or noisy. It was originally used to describe someone or something that is loud and energetic, often in a wild or unrestrained way. In the movie Aladdin rubs a magical lamp and meets a boisterous genie who offers him 3 wishes. The genie is known for his energetic and fast-paced antics. He often transforms into various characters, cracks jokes, and is a lively and boisterous presence. This is unsurprising, seeing as he has spent thousands of years holed up inside a tiny lamp. Synonyms for boisterous include loud, noisy, rowdy, and unruly. Antonyms for boisterous are calm, quiet, peaceful, and tranquil. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, boisterous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.